Honorable Senior Vice President, BGMEA, respected office bearers, Board of Directors, distinguished representative from the US Green Building Council, members of the media, industry leaders, and my dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. I, Tahmina Shurobhi, Assistant Secretary of BGMEA, welcome you all in the appreciation ceremony of Hams Garments Ltd. Today is not just a celebration of an achievement, it's a celebration of global leadership, sustainability, and the strength of Made in Bangladesh. It's my great honor to welcome you all in the event that recognizes the extraordinary achievement of securing USGBC LEED Platinum certification with a world record of 108 out of 110, the highest in the world. Please have a big round of applause for them. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh today proudly stands as the global leader in green manufacturing, with 273 USGBC certified green garment factories, including 115 platinum rated. A remarkable testament to our industry's commitment to sustainability and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move into these speeches, I would like to begin today's program by showcasing the journey behind this remarkable achievement. I now invite you to please turn your attention to the screen for a short video presentation of Hams Garments Ltd, a factory that has not only achieved excellence but has redefined global standard in green manufacturing.
Hams Garments, a global benchmark in sustainable manufacturing. In a world where sustainability defines the future of industry, true leadership is measured by action, not intention. At Hams Garments Ltd, we don't just follow global standards, we help redefine them. Hams Garments has achieved LEED V4EB, Operations and Maintenance, Platinum certification with 108 out of 110 points, the highest score ever recorded under the US Green Building Council's LEED rating system. This is not only a milestone for our company, it is a proud moment for Bangladesh. Hams Garments earned outstanding results across every LEED category. 15 out of 15 in location and transportation, 10 out of 10 in sustainable sites, 10 out of 12 in water efficiency, a perfect 38 out of 38 in energy and atmosphere, 8 out of 8 in materials and resources, a full 17 out of 17 in indoor environmental quality, 6 out of 6 in innovation, and 4 out of 4 in regional priority. Total, 108 out of 110. Platinum. Step inside Hams Garments, where design meets discipline. From CAD-driven pattern development to automated cutting systems, every garment begins with precision. Automated precision cutting delivers high-speed accuracy, uniform quality, and optimized material utilization. On the sewing lines, consistency, accuracy, and craftsmanship define every stitch. In finishing and quality control, nothing moves forward without meeting exact standards. Because excellence is not inspected in, it is built in. Natural daylight, LED systems, and intelligent controls optimize energy use across the production floor. On our rooftops, solar panels generate 47.36% of our total energy on site, delivering 75.25% overall energy savings. Efficiency here is not a target, it is a culture. Water is managed with the same discipline. Sensor-based, low-flow fixtures reduce consumption automatically. Our water and effluent treatment plants clean and reuse water responsibly. We harvest 100% of our rainwater, reuse 20% of cooling tower water, and reduce potable water use by 51.69%, with 92% savings in outdoor water demand. Every drop is respected. Across the factory, fabric and metal are separated at the source using material-specific waste bins. This system diverts 99.33% of ongoing consumable waste and 96.15% of durable goods waste from landfills. A high-performance factory must also be a healthy one. Clean air, daylight, and thermal comfort create a friendly, productive work floor. Advanced fire detection and alarm systems, sprinklers, hydrants, and clearly marked evacuation routes ensure rapid response and total preparedness. Trained response teams and strict compliance with international fire safety standards protect both people and property. Beyond fire safety, a comprehensive security system safeguards the entire campus, with controlled access points, surveillance monitoring, and 24-hour security coverage. Sustainability is also about people. Hams Garments supports employees with on-site medical care, rest and prayer areas, and daycare services for working parents. This achievement reflects the visionary leadership of Shafiqur Rahman, Managing Director of Hams Garments Ltd, and the dedicated efforts of his entire leadership and operations team. The journey was technically guided with consultancy support from Ananta Ahmed. Together, they proved that global excellence can be built in Bangladesh. This is more than a certified factory. It is a model for the future of apparel manufacturing. High performance, verified impact, global credibility. Hams Garments Ltd. LEED Platinum, 108 out of 110, world's highest score. Sustainability, built with precision, delivered with purpose.